Hello everyone, in this video I am trying to explain few of the differences between Earth Engine, Planetary Computer and Climate Data Store. So this is going to be a very short video and I wanted to point out the differences between them. So the first thing we need in Earth Engine is Google account to sign up. For Planetary Computer, we need Microsoft account, and for CDS, any email account will work. And this Earth Engine and Planetary Computer are for the satellite data, and we can do analysis and we can create applications. And similar things can be done in Climate Data Store as well. So Earth Engine is from Google, Planetary Computer is from Microsoft, and this Climate Data Store is from this ECMWF on the behalf of European Union. And for Earth Engine, we have JavaScript API, and we can also do this in Python and R, and there are different packages for that. And for Planetary Computer, we have the Jupyter Lab, and we work with Python and R. So, and similarly for this Climate Data Store, we use Python. And to see few of the differences, here both of the Earth Engine and the Planetary Computer has this explore sites, and this helps to see the data. And this Earth Engine has the developer guides where you can see different helpful learnings for us. And similarly, we also have the pages for the Planetary Computer as well. So these pages helps to know how things work in Planetary Computer. Similarly, we also have this Climate Data Store where it shares us how to use it. In case of the Planetary Computer, we can choose the environment, and we also have this QGIS. This is very nice. And for Earth Engine, this is our interface here. We write the code here. There are outputs in the console, and this is it. So the main conclusions are that the whatever they are, the resources are free, and let's not forget that learning R and Python is important for this all. And the main thing is that these all three platforms can be accessed through the browser, and this is always a great time to learn. So this video only tried to point out the main differences, but there are so many differences inside these three platforms, so I just tried to scratch the surface. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.